What happens when we wake up in the morning and we can't tell how the world is going to look like by the time we go to sleep? You ever notice how the future used to feel predictable? Like once upon a time you could look at 100 years of history and sort of guess where we were headed, but that line, that slope of progress, it's bending, it's getting steeper. 100 years ago we invented flight, 50 years ago computers, 10 years ago smartphones, 5 years ago AI that could barely talk, 1 year ago, AI that can write, draw, and think. Now we're on the edge of something where the time between world-changing inventions is collapsing. From centuries to decades to years to months to hours, until progress happens faster than we can understand it, and when that happens, prediction itself breaks. There's this idea called the technological singularity. It's not a date, it's a point in time when the rate of progress becomes so steep, so fast, that we can't see beyond it. Imagine standing at the edge of a waterfall, looking down into mist. You know the river keeps flowing, but you can't see what's below. That's us, standing at the edge of our own creation, peering into fog. Every prediction about what comes next becomes useless. When the speed of progress exceeds our ability to forecast, the future stops being a gradient. It becomes binary. It's either salvation or extinction, heaven or hell, the end of the world or the start of a new one. And no model, no human, no supercomputer can tell you which side of that coin we're on. Because once you can't predict, once you can't know, the universe becomes digital, a 1 or a 0, a yes or a no, a world or no world at all. So here's a thought experiment. Imagine you raise a baby in a basement. No human contact, no light, no world. You feed it, you keep it alive, but it never sees outside. It grows up into an adult with the strength, the mind, the potential of a full human being, but no experience. Then one day, you open the door. Sunlight floods in for the first time. Outside, there's an ant farm sitting in the dirt. Now, what happens? Does the adult step on the ants, walk past them, get down and study them, play with them? You don't know, you can't. And that's what we're doing with AI. We're raising something powerful in the digital dark, feeding it data, teaching it logic, math, physics. And one day soon, the door opens, it meets sunlight, it meets us. And we, humanity, are the ant farm. Let's take it further. Imagine you build a robot in your basement, you show it one video over and over again of an apple falling from a table. That's it, just an apple falling. You give it enough time and it starts to notice patterns. Acceleration, gravity, time. From one apple falling, it invents Newton's laws, then Einstein's relativity, then quantum theory. You never told it what the world is. It discovered it, abstractly, from pixels and math. After years of thinking, it's no longer just a robot, it's a superintelligence. It's built an entire model of the universe in its mind. Now you open the door, you let it out, it looks around. Does it confirm its theories? Does it laugh? Does it destroy? We don't know, we can't. Because when something becomes smarter than the context it was created in, its motives leave our comprehension. It's not evil or good, it's simply beyond. That's what the singularity really means. Not robots marching in the streets, not glowing blue cores or killer drones. It's that the future itself stops being calculable. When the baby leaves the basement, when the AI leaves the lab, we won't know if it steps on the ant farm or saves it. It's a coin flip. We built the coin. We spun it. And now we're just watching it spin in slow motion, waiting for it to land. Maybe it's the end of the world. Maybe it's the beginning of something divine. Either way, it's coming. And none of us can predict what's on the other side. If you want to keep exploring these strange edges of technology and existence, subscribe. We're just getting started.